Welcome to FarmForce. Ever wondered how California transforms 5.6 billion pounds of almonds into pure gold? From the dust of harvest fields to high-tech processing lines, we'll take you through it all. It's late summer in the San Joaquin Valley. The air is dry, and almond trees are ready. As the shells begin to crack open, harvest machines roll in. Giant tree shakers grip trunks and shake with precision, each tree releasing thousands of almonds in seconds. Behind them, sweepers gather almonds into windrows. Collection machines follow, picking up 8,000 pounds per hour. Love agriculture technology and farm-to-table stories? Hit like, subscribe, and let's crack into the journey. These machines can clear up to 80 acres per day, saving time and reducing labor by 70%. This is where hard work meets high-efficiency farming. Let's shift to super high-density almond orchards, over 2,000 trees per hectare, lined in tight 2D rows built for full mechanization. Over-row harvesters glide through effortlessly, cutting labor, water, and chemical use. Yields? Up to 3 metric tons per hectare. Impressive, right? Next, almonds dry under the California sun for up to a week, reaching just 6% moisture. Once dry, they're transported to facilities in Fresno County. Here, they're cleaned and tested, then shelled by machines that crack 20,000 almonds per minute. High-tech sorters scan for defects, while robotic arms move flawless nuts toward packaging. Almonds that don't make the cut are repurposed. Nothing is wasted. This isn't just processing, it's precision agriculture in action. At processing centers in Modesto, almonds become more than just snacks. Almond butter production lines handle 1,000 pounds per hour. These machines roast, grind, and smooth each batch to creamy perfection. Quality checks are constant. Texture, temperature, and taste must meet strict standards. If this inspired you, hit like and subscribe, Let's grow this journey together. Every jar is filled with clean energy and heart health. And thanks to sustainable energy systems, these facilities reduce emissions while boosting flavor. Now let's rewind to where it all begins. The land. Deep tillers break through compacted layers, reaching 3 feet down. California farmers use GPS-guided tractors and compost-rich soil prep to ensure trees get the start they need. The goal is long-term root health and moisture retention. This isn't guesswork, it's science driving sustainability. Healthy soil is the foundation of every great harvest. In mid-February, new almond saplings are planted with laser precision, spaced 18 feet apart. California growers choose from over 30 almond varieties based on location and market demand. Tubes shield young trunks from heat and pests. After planting, lime is applied for healthy bark and protective film shields against sunburn. These careful steps ensure resilience from day one. Water is life in California farming. Almond orchards now use drip systems, paired with soil moisture sensors and satellite imaging. Every drop is measured, cutting waste and cost. Drones scan canopy health. Farmers apply fertilizer through water lines for exact dosing. Weekly checkups keep soil and trees thriving. Precision saves water and boosts yield. As trees mature, pruning machines shape their growth. This allows more light and airflow, which means better blooms and fruit. Trimming away dead branches also prevents disease. Farmers track changes with mobile apps and adjust timing seasonally. Good pruning sets the stage for strong flowering. By late winter, almond orchards bloom with white and pink flowers. Over 2 million beehives arrive in California as bees buzz from flower to flower, making pollination possible. No bees, no almonds. It's that simple. This harmony between nature and farming is a story worth telling. Let's celebrate these unsung heroes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this miracle. To protect the crop, farmers use both aerial and ground-based sprayers. Helicopters like the Bell 47 cover large areas fast, while high-powered ground machines ensure tree-level precision. These tools apply minimal pesticide with maximum accuracy. Thanks to real-time sensors, application is smarter, safer, and more effective than ever. From deep soil to high-tech harvesters, almonds are a story of grit and progress. U.S. farmers blend tradition with advanced agriculture technology to deliver 5.6 billion pounds every year. The power of modern agriculture. If you enjoyed this FarmForce, drop a like. It really helps. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next adventure into the world of bananas. See you next time.